talk about a bamboo, an important role in biodiversity, especially in tropical regions like Malaysia. Bamboo is fast-growing and highly adaptable plants. It belongs to the grass family, known scientifically as Poaceae. What makes bamboo special is how it contributes to ecosystem stability. For example, it helps prevent soil erosion, irrigation water, and provide shelter for many animals like birds, insects, and small mammals. In Malaysia, particularly in Kelantan, bamboo is not only important ecologically, but also culturally and economically. Local community use it for food, building material, and traditional craft. Other amazing thing about bamboo is that it can regrow quickly without needing to replant. This makes sustainability and eco-friendly resource. So overall, bamboo support both nature and people, making it a key part of biodiversity and conservation, especially in rural and traditional communities. Hi everyone, today I will talk about the bamboo. Okay, today I will be explaining the biological classification of bamboo. Bamboo belongs to the kingdom Plantae, which means it is a plant. It is part of the grass family, known scientifically as Poaceae, and the subfamily is called Bambusoideae. So, while bamboo may look very simple, it is actually a very diverse and important group of plants within the plant kingdom.
Hello everyone, in this part, we will be talking about taxonomy and scientific classification of the bamboo plant that we have studied. We found this bamboo growing at UMK Jili campus. It grows in dense clumps. The clumps are moderately thick, tall and fully green, with no yellow strip. Based on this characteristic, we identify it almost like Bambusa vulgaris, which is the green variety of one of the common bamboo species in Malaysia.
Okay, let's go through the scientific classification of this bamboo. According to the taxonomy hierarchy, kingdom, which is Plantae, it is known as plant. Phylum Tracheophyta, which includes vascular plants with transport system like xylem and phloem. Class Liliopsida, indicating it is a monocot or a flowering plant with one cotyledon. Order Poaceae, which includes grasses and cereal crops like rice and wheat.
Then, the bamboo fall under family Poaceae, also known as grass family, which includes plants with hollow stem and visible nodes. Genus Bambusa, one of the major genera for tropical bamboo in South Asia. Species Bambusa vulgaris, and since this is the green stem variety, we classify it specifically as Bambusa vulgaris vulgaris.
Okay, this taxonomy is important because it helps us to identify the species, understand its relationship with other plants, and also trace the evolutionary connection within the grass family.
Understanding the taxonomy of this bamboo allows us not only to classify it more accurately, but also to appreciate its ecological role, especially in wet environment like the lake area on our campus.
Thank you. One of the most interesting and useful plants found in tropical countries like Malaysia. It usually grows in clusters and can be seen in forests, gardens, and even near the river. One special fact that surprised many people is that bamboo is actually part of the grass family, even though it looks like a tree. Okay, let me bring you to identify the bamboo.
Now let's talk about morphology characteristics. Bamboo has hollow, woody stems called culms with distinct nodes and internodes. Its long, narrow leaves have parallel veins typical of monocots. It grows in dense clumps due to its sympodial rhizomes and its fibrous roots system makes it useful for erosion control. Through tall bamboo rarely flowers, it is one of the fastest growing plant in the world.
This is the example of the morphological characteristic of the bamboo.
Bamboo is more than just a plant. It grows fast and helps the environment and provide many useful materials. Its strength and beauty make it an important part of nature and human life.
Now, let's move to the next topic. This topic is ecological role of bamboo. First, producer in the food chain. Bamboo is a green plant that carries out photosynthesis, making it a primary producer. It promotes energy to herbivores such as panda, insects, and elephants. Second, promotes habitat for wildlife. Bamboo forests offer shelter and nesting areas for many animals, including birds, insects, small mammals like mice, and giant panda, which rely almost entirely on bamboo for food and cover. Third, absorbs carbon and produces oxygen. Bamboo is highly effective at absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, which help reduce greenhouse gas and improve air quality. It can absorb more carbon than many types of trees. Lastly, food source. Young bamboo shoots, rabong, are edible and consumed by humans. Leaves and stems serve as a major food source for animals like panda and Asian elephants. Thank you.
Most bamboo species grow in warm and moist tropical and temperate climates, ranging from sea level up to high mountainous areas. They are native to regions across East Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Northern Australia, parts of Africa, and the Americas. Bamboo grows best in forests, particularly in moist subtropical mountain regions, but it also thrives in grasslands and open spaces, showing its ability to adapt to diverse environments ranging from tropical rainforests to cool, misty highland forests.
In conclusion, bamboo is much more than a common plant we see around the campus. It's a vital part of our ecosystem and an incredible example of nature insight. Through our research, we have learned that taxonomically bamboo belongs to a Poaceae family, classifying it as a grass, not a tree, despite its woody appearance. It plays a significant ecological role as a producer, a habitat provider, a carbon absorber, and even a food resource for both humans and animals.
Bamboo is incredibly adaptable because they're thriving in tropical and subtropical regions like Malaysia, where its whole cultural and economic is significant. With its rapid growth, renewability, and strength, bamboo proved to be a highly sustainable resource for the future that supporting biodiversity, local economies, and climate resilience. By exploring its taxonomy and ecological role, we've gained deeper appreciation for this remarkable plant and how it supports both biodiversity and sustainability here in our campus.